Welcome to the Novartis Engineering, where we are reimagining medicine through innovation. At Novartis, engineers play a key role in the development of state-of-the-art technologies and processes that enable the creation and production of innovative medicines. All Novartis locations worldwide are supported by an engineering team working out of the Novartis Corporate Center in Slovenia. We create blueprints for manufacturing processes, industrial infrastructure, and investment projects. With our help, new production facilities are being built in order to develop and produce cutting-edge medicines. Once production lines and equipment are up and running, it is crucial to maintain them for optimal performance over time. A team of engineers at 3 manufacturing sites in Ljubljana and Mangesh assures production efficiency, reliability, and equipment maintenance. In our dynamic and challenging setting, our engineers are also in charge of equipment and process optimization, automation, quality control, and compliance. Working for a multinational corporation brings a variety of benefits. Our engineers can work on innovative projects and are members of global, worldwide interdisciplinary teams. They play an important role in the sustainable digitalization on all levels of the organization, and they can build on their skills at home or abroad. Whether you're a student just starting out in your career or an experienced professional seeking for a new challenge, our diverse engineering job listings will help you discover the appropriate match. Reimagine the future of medicine with us.